Welcome, my dear student. We are going to study basic terms of polymers. Polymers are giant molecules of a high molecular mass 10 raised to 3 to 10 raised to 7, or it is a macromolecules consisting of several repeating units of monomers interconnected by covalent bonds. The word polymer is derived from a Greek word polymeros, poly meaning many, meros or mer meaning parts or units, which was introduced by Berzelius 1833 to designate two or more molecules with a high molecular weight. Polymers structures can be represented by similar or identical repeat units which are joined together through a covalent bond in a regular fashion. Each unit is called as a monomer. A polymer is defined as a high molecular weight compounds, a molecule of which contain a large number of same basic units arranged in a recurring manner. Basic unit is a small chemical unit of low molecular weight from which polymer is derived is a monomer. For example, in a polymer, a covalent bond with A, the repeat unit is A, and in the polymer A covalent bond B, covalent bond A, B, the repeat unit is A covalent bond B. The reaction by which monomers either same or different combine to form a polymer is known as polymerization. Polymerization is a process in which low molecular weight compounds monomers are linked together forming a high molecular weight compound or a polymer. Nm monomer is gives Mn polymer, where N is called as the degree of polymerization. For example, NCH2 double bond CH2, it gives CH2CH2N. Ethylene is a monomer and it is converted into polyethylene, that is a polymer. Monomers can be in a gaseous, liquid or a solid state. When they are used in their state without a solvent, it is called as bulk polymerization. When inert solvent is used, it is called as a solution polymerization. Other example, a styrene. Styrene, it gives a polystyrene, the common name is styrene. Vinyl chloride, it gives a polyvinyl chloride, common name corrosyl. The tetrafluoroethylene, it gives a polytetrafluoroethylene, it is a Teflon, common name Teflon. Propene, it gives polypropylene, and 1,3-butadiene is also gives the polybutadiene. Acrylonitrile, it gives polyacrylonitrile polymer. Amino acid, it gives the protein. The chloroprene, it gives the neoprene. Means chloroprene is a monomer and neoprene is a polymer. In a polymer, when a repeating unit, that is monomer, is the same, then the polymer is called as a homopolymer. When two or more monomers are present in a polymer, that polymer is called as copolymer. The polymers formed by type of reaction in which the monomer react by the elimination of water, ammonia, ethyl alcohol or carbon dioxide are called as condensation polymer. In this polymerization, each step is independent of the earlier step, that is step polymerization. When there are two functional groups in the monomer, then there is a linear polymer is obtained, and there are more than two functional groups, and the gives a three-dimensional network of the monomers are known as the cross-linked polymers, that is polyamides, nylon 6,6, nylon 6, phenol, formaldehyde, resin, bakelite, polyesters, dacron, terylene, synthetic fiber, protein, starch, cellulose, etc. Addition polymers are formed by the multiple addition of an olefinic monomer such as ethylene, vinylene chloride, isoprene, etc. These polymers are formed without elimination of any simple molecules. Addition polymerization, that is the chain polymerization, proceeds through a free radical cation or anionic processes depending on the nature of the catalyst used. For example, the polypropylene, natural rubber, etc. The polymers are the atactic polymers, then isotactic polymers, syntactic polymers. The atactic polymers in which free radical polymerization or random arrangement is produced. Isotactic polymers in which if all these asymmetric carbon atoms have the same configuration with respect to each other. Syntactic polymer when the configuration alternates, means a syntactic polymers configuration alternate is observed, and isotactic and syntactic polymers are obtained usually with a Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Titanium aluminum catalyst is used for that reaction. The coordination polymerization is observed. Inorganic polymers contain no carbon atoms, and these are the polysilanes, polygermans, etc. The high polymers is the one in which the numbers of repeating units is more than 100. The size of the polymer molecule is decided by number of repeat unit present in it. This number is called as the degree of polymerization, or it is called as the dP. Capital M is equal to dP into small m. Means where capital M is the molecular weight of the polymer, small m is molecular weight of the monomer unit, and dP is the degree of polymerization. If there are 700 such repeating units present in a polymer molecule, the degree of polymerization will be 700. Degree of polymerization is defined as the number of repeat units present in an average polymer chain at a time t in a polymerization reaction. The size of the polymer chain is decided by this number. The length of the polymer is measured in a monomeric unit. The degree of polymerization is a measure of molecular weight of a polymer. Due to their large size, the polymer are also called macromolecules. The polymers are the repeat of smaller units, but a macromolecule may or may not have a repeat unit. For example, hemoglobin is a macromolecule, but they are not a polymer because they do not have a repeat unit. It is chelate polymer, for example, chlorophyll. Thank you.